Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to give two-step verification on WhatsApp. So in this, I will guide you on the gist and step-by-step process to give two-step verification on WhatsApp, which provide more security to your WhatsApp application. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on mobile device. So after opening that application, now you can see on the top on the right side, three dot option is there. Tap on this. So inside there, now you can see a setting option is there. Tap on settings. So inside setting, now you can see a account option is there. Tap on that. So inside that account section, now you can see a two-step verification option is there. Tap on this. So I already given two-step verification, so it is not asking for to create pin and all for the two-step verification. So if you will be giving first time, you have to create that pin number, what it will be asking password, whatever will be there. So you have to create that. So after that, now you can see one turn off option is there. So after creating that two-step verification, if you want to turn off, so you can turn off it from here. But it is no necessary to give turn off because it will provide more security to your WhatsApp. So don't turn off. And now you can see here change pin option is there. If you want to change that pin number, you can change from here. So in this way, you can give two-step verification on WhatsApp. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.